Hello everybody, welcome to Season 2 of DRONE-TARIO. Now, I'm going to do a quick review of the Upairone V2 drone, I guess, the one without the app and where you use your phone. I really liked it. It was a good beginner's drone. If you've never driven or flown a drone before, I suggest getting this one because it has GPS, return to home, position lock, FPV. It has all the display on the screen so you can see how far you go out. Now I've had it out 1,000 feet, 1,000 meters I should say. It's a kilometer, that's 1,000, right? So 1,000 meters out and 1,000 meters up. I could have gone 200 or 300 more, but I noticed near the end I'm losing signal. I think it's due to the components. They're not very good. I bought a battery and it fried within, I'd say, 2 uses. And they're expensive. They were like $100. So I really liked it. I would suggest picking up the older version because I've heard the Plus version is not very good. I mean, you can look online, find some reviews of that, and they all have the same problem where they can't sync the thing up. It's not calibrating. This thing you don't have to calibrate. I mean, it takes a while for it to find the satellites, but I think that's part of the calibration process, right? So anyways, now for Season 2, I'm moving on to another drone, and I will show you that right now. Actually, before I show it to you, it's going to be kind of like information if you bought a drone on eBay and you're nervous, which I did. I haven't opened the box yet. I mean, it's a kick-ass deal. When I saw it, I bid for it, and it was a quick 24-hour auction, and I got it for a really good price. It was like $700 US, and the thing's worth, I mean, with the option stuff, probably around $2,000. So anyways, I will stop the video here and I'll come back and show you what I got. Okay. Yes, I did it. I got the DJI Phantom 4. Not the Plus version because, man, they're still expensive. I mean, they're used. I mean, they're over $1,200 Canadian. Anyway, so I got the Phantom 4 with 3 batteries, a couple of filters, and I think a charging bay that can charge up to 3 batteries at once. So I'm going to crack this open and see what kind of shape it's in because I'm going into unknown territory. Don't know what I'm going to get. I hope I'm not burned or screwed or whatever. So I'm going to pause the video and open it up and yeah. Okay, there it is out of its box. So I'm going to open this puppy up like I've seen them do so many times, and there it is. Okay, so we got the charging bay, so there it is. We've got flight battery. Okay, good. He didn't ship them full. That's good. Good. That's one battery. I wonder if they're all... Well, this one's kind of half. So he didn't discharge them like you're supposed to. I've heard anyway you're supposed to just discharge them. It looks like in good shape too. Like it's for... I think the guy used it. I mean, he told me he was from Iceland and he was doing weddings and stuff. So, yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks like he took care of it. He said there were some cosmetic issues with the controller. By the back, there's a crack in the... Yeah, there it is. See it? The crack right about there. But it looks good. I mean, it's not dirty and greasy like my controller is, so... He took care of it better than I took care of mine, that's for sure. This is the data cable for my Android. Cool. The old drone, there it is. The Phantom 4. Looks like it's never been crashed. It's got, yeah. Looks good, man. So I'm happy about that. Hopefully it flies. I haven't downloaded the DJI app yet. I don't know why I haven't, but I just haven't. Here is the propellers, the props, which I've heard are good. That's the new bolt-on, instead of the twist-on, which I didn't have a problem with, really. I like the twist-on. I got used to it. I liked it. So these are proprietary propellers, so I'm going to have to buy those if I have to. Here's the third battery. and it's like more than halfway full. This is the Android. No, this is another Samsung HDMI, I think. I don't know what this is. This is like for USB. And I think these are the filters. These are the filters, yes. And that's it. That's all that was in the, and the cord for the charging thing. So, okay, so I'm not going to show you how to set up. You can find that stuff on YouTube. I mean, the next time I'll show you a video when it's actually booted up, calibrated, and I'm at the airfield, because I'm not going to fly it in the city. I mean, I'm right across from a school. I mean, too many people. It's like spring. Everybody's out having fun, except for me. But yeah, so I will get back to you, and I look forward to making videos with the new Phantom 4. I wanted to step up. I mean, the whole issue was the camera on the Upairone one. I didn't like how crappy it was. It was like a crappy GoPro. Not even a good GoPro. It was a crap GoPro with really bad resolution. And, you know, I was just sick of it. I want to make some good, kick-ass videos. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to download and update, unless he already updated it for me, which I hope he did, because I heard it's a pain in the ass. But anyways, I will do that, and I will see you on episode 2 of season 2. So Drone-TARIO is saying I am very excited to produce more videos for the upcoming flying season. It should be a good one. I mean, it's beautiful out. It's beginning of May, and it's 24 degrees here in Canada. So there we go. I will see you in the next video. Adios.